Hi guys, today I'm going to teach how can deactivate your messenger account on your iPhone. This is the method. First you have to go Facebook, settings, then personal information, manage account, click on deactivate. You can select one reason why are you leaving Facebook. I just select I don't find Facebook useful. Okay, then select continue, again continue, deactivate my account. Okay, now your Facebook account already deactivated, but your Messenger account is still there. It will be like this, but this only you got signed up, it's not deactivated. Okay, check. Log into your Messenger account again, then go settings, legal and policies, deactivate Messenger, click on deactivate. Okay, now it's already deactivated. So this is the method. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.